Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable set time zone automatically in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable set time zone automatically, right click on Start menu, click on Settings, and in left pane click on Time and Language, and then click on Date and Time. Here you will find Set Time Zone automatically, and now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Set Time Zone automatically is enabled on my Windows 11 computers. This is the easiest way to enable Set Time Zone automatically in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.